In the fading light of Africa, a shadow of muscle and instinct begins the hunt. Opposite the hunter stands an armored survivor, small, silent, unbreakable. Every step measures silence, a predator sculpted by patience. A single scent, and the blood begins to move. Velocity and silence, the art of the kill, begins before the leap. No claws, no chase, only armor sharpened by time. Every turn, a signal. Come closer, and you will bleed. Nature's armor, built not from steel, but survival. Two forces came, one built to strike, one built endure. Between light and shadow, instinct decides. It doesn't see prey, it sees opportunity written in motion. Stillness becomes armor, gyre. Waiting becomes survival. Predation and protection, two sides of the same survival. The savanna falls silent, instinct sharpens like a blade. Two hearts sink, one to strike, one to survive. For one of them, the next breath will decide everything. In less than a breath, instinct outruns thought. Reflex, faster than thought, armor turns alive. Where flesh meets steel, instinct pays its price. Pain is the teacher every predator remembers. No movement, no chase, only the weight of warning. Speed cannot solve geometry. Every angle ends in spikes.
The battlefield breathes. Retreat becomes resilience.
Aggression tests patience, yet the line still holds. Fear is not weakness, it's calculation. Two bodies of evolution, paused in perfect symmetry. The hunter chooses wisdom over pride. Victory isn't always pursuit. Sometimes, it's patience. Pain writes memory deeper than triumph. Balance restored, hui. Predator and prey return to the rhythm of dusk. A single quill, proof of the price of hunger. Even the dust exhales. The savanna forgets quickly. The armored survivor leaves quietly. No roar, no chase. Only the silence of survival.
The hunter fades, wiser than before.
In the end, balance wins, not fury. The battlefield sleeps until instinct wakes again. Every clash tells a story, Tithe. Nature decides the victor.